Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk about one of the EGH peptide called MK677. MK677 is also known as ibutamoren. MK677 is one of the peptides that can be taken orally, unlike other peptides that has to be injected sub-Q. MK677 is the growth hormone stimulator. It promotes secretion of growth hormone and insulin-like growth factor naturally from pituitary gland. It works by imitating the ghrelin hormone and binds with its receptor. Ghrelin is the hunger hormone that makes us feel hungry. So MK677 actually stimulates ghrelin hormone. So one of the negative part of MK677 is it's going to increase your hunger. MK677 can increase the lean muscle mass. So it is very good for somebody who is suffering from sarcopenia or low bone mineral density. It is also good for somebody who is not suffering from actual medical condition like sarcopenia, but somebody who wants to improve their lean muscle mass and wants to pack more muscle without necessarily losing more fat. Some of the benefits of MK677 are it helps you build more muscle. It improves your muscle strength and improves your overall physical strength. It improves the bone mass and improves your bone density, makes you a little stronger, improves your overall athletic performance, aerobic and anaerobic performance, improves your energy level, improves your focus, and improves your overall physical strength and help you get bigger, stronger muscle and stronger bones. If you have any question about MK677 or if you want to know that if you're a good candidate for MK677, subscribe for more videos